Pradeep Kumar Digal.
Pradesh, sir. Pradesh Kumar.
Pradesh Kumar Digal. You belong to Rayagada,
Yes, sir.
and you have done what is this?
Sir?
Physical science.
Sir, that one B.Ed, Bachelor in Education in Physical Science. Main subject.
Oh, After post graduation,
Yes, sir. After post graduation.
you have done post graduation in chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hey, you have traveled everywhere. You have done your post graduation from Maharashtra, then this B.Ed from Andhra.
Sir, it is nearby our Rayagada, the border area. So
Yeah,
nearby. district.
Rayagada, Andhra, ठीक है जी. But Maharashtra, you went for post graduation in Maharashtra.
Yes, sir. I am selected for joint admission in MSc, a JAM exam which give MSc program, PG program, especially in Indian Institute of Technology and National Institute of Technology. Nagpur. Yes, sir. Visweswara National Institute of Technology, Nagpur.
You stayed there and read.
Yes, sir.
But tell me why Nagpur is famous for?
Sir, in India, Nagpur is called as Orange City, and it is the constitution area of the Central Minister Nitin Gadkari. Also, it is a central part of India, and a place Ramtek, which is very famous in Nagpur, which is culturally famous.
Nagpur is also the farmers' belt of
Yes.
Maharashtra,
Yes, sir.
mostly for horticulture products.
Orange is highly cultivated there.
You said about orange.
Yes, sir. Orange City. It is regarded
Any
as
other product?
Sorry, sir. I have
Major
no,
product? Sugarcane?
I think is there, sir. I don't know actually.
There are many. In fact, the Sharad Pawar's fiefdom is Nagpur. It is his area.
Sir.
Okay, Rayagada. Can you tell me from which district Rayagada was created?
Sir, it is Koraput, undivided Koraput, which bifurcated in 1992.
Bifurcated.
Yes, sir.
Koraput was divided.
Divided into 4 districts. That is, one is Rayagada, then Malkangiri, then Navrangpur, and Koraput.
What are your subjects? Sociology, home science?
Yes, sir.
Home science. Okay. If I make a statement that housewives are burdens on Indian economy, would you support it? Would you tell against it?
Sir, I said it is not correct up to I know, because they're contributing in the economy, in the state as well as in the country economy. Sir, it's a two aspect. They directly can contribute to the economy and indirectly. First one, indirectly, the main economy, the male person, that are the man or son or other person who are directly related, participated in the economy sector, their burden and their pressure is somehow reduced by the female member, as the whole household work and the other responsibilities taken by the housewife. This is indirectly somehow they contributed to the GDP and economy. In another aspect, the rest time after the household work, they can participate in SAG group, self-help group, and like Mission Shakti, they can contribute to the economy by local production, like the local which are available. They can participate and partly manage to manage their livelihood by certain income. So both the way they are contributing to the GDP. So it is not correct that saying housewives are not contributing to the GDP.
Do you know anything about urbanization?
Yes, sir.
To me?
Urbanization is a process in which the development, urban cities are developed by different sectors like industrialization, socialization, education, converting a particular rural area into urban is regarded as urbanization.
What is urban influx?
Sir?
Urban influx.
Sorry, sir, I don't have any idea.
I mean, exodus from rural areas to urban areas.
Sir.
Can you cite the reasons for it?
Sir, it is basically because of the livelihood to income to support their family. They high income is there in the urban area. So in the agriculture field, as we know, in our sector, the income is not as far that they support their family. So generally, after a certain age, they direct migrated to the urban area for their livelihood and higher income, so that they can easily support their family.
In Indian cities, the growth of slums hampers the urban growth. Would you agree? Would you disagree? What would you say?
Sir, this is, I think, are partially correct or partially wrong, because as per their individual concept, they are going to the urban area for their livelihood and income support. But as a certain thing that the slum areas are now growing in the big city. One of the main example, the Dharavi area, which is the Asia's largest slum area. A certain area of the Mumbai is occupied by the slum area. If you think about that, yes, there is possible to grow certain infrastructure and other skill development program or other heavy infrastructure in that area. But as per their life concern, they are they are going there for their support, and also they are causing some one of the waste management and pollution is highly contributed by the slum area in the particular sector. But as an individual, their aspect is correct, because they are supporting their family by higher income in the area. But as a concern in the city, yes, their contribution toward the pollution and other aspect are is there. Sir, 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 it is a highly aspirational program of Government of India, which encourage the rural talent people and talent youth to participate in the Khelo India program, so that we can easily find out the talented youth and talented who can be. Sir, there is a provision that if they will get any medal in the Khelo India, they will provide 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Sorry, sir, I think a 5 lakh cash will be rewarded for them for 8 years for their training and other aspect. Total, I think, sir, for 8-year expense, 5 lakh. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. The recent achievements in the Olympic as well as Paralympic shows that the India is growing in the sports activity, and Khelo India programs are highly required to find out the talents which are due to financial problem. On the other problem, they cannot be participated in the mainstream. Sir, in the Olympic, there total 7 medal, 1 gold medal, 2 bronze medal, and 2 silver medal and 4 bronze. In Paralympics, sir, there are 19 medal. One of the basic medal from Odisha, Pramod Bhagat, who got medal in badminton. Sir, Poshan Abhiyan is a highly ambitious abhiyan of Government of India, that is the nutritional health mission. Startingly, there is to target group to improvement the nutritional status of pregnant women and child and lactating women. And there is 315 district is selected initially, but in the first phase there is 235 district in which this scheme is implemented, and rest are implemented next phase. Yes, sir. Fortification is a process in which the highly nutrition vitamins will be added to the food products, so that the nutritional value will be enhanced. Sir, by genetic engineering, artificial, both. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, as per I know, they have both aspect. In the certain area, the joint family exists, like in Bihar region, and for sir, as by my concern, I will prefer a joint family because a joint family has many members, all members, which shows our unity, our culture, and which gives strength to our family. And in the certain case, all family gives the moral value, which are basically required for the social aspect. In nuclear families, are the family will be far behind from the joint family and live separately. Although there are certain benefits, but I prefer to live in joint family. Sir. Sir, there are many reasons. As the globalization progress, the status of women increasing. Sir, during the pandemic period, one of the reason is both the male and female worker get together in the pandemic period. That will enhance the quarrel. They start fighting in certain aspect. The other aspect is sir, after certain time, yes sir, it is a reason that the no sir, that will be not the first reason. No sir, the stress work, the stress that they belong to both of them in the particular time, that can lead to quarrel between them. And other reason are sir, the alcoholism and other family member pressure, like the father-in-law and other aspect are also included for the divorce.
You mentioned about the joint family and this nuclear family.
Yes sir.
Tell me some disadvantages of nuclear family.
Sir, there is a lack of guidance from the elder person.
Parents are there,
Sir?
they are not elder. A child, one child or two children are there. Parents are there, are not the elders.
Yes sir, the parents are give the particular word, but the older
You
generation.
think of a difference between joint family and nuclear family. What are the disadvantages in a nuclear family? Will a child learn how to share,
No sir.
cooperation,
No sir.
group living,
No sir.
certain values which you need to live? Now we are reading sociology.
Yes sir.
We will need these values in our society,
Yes sir.
which we can better develop in a joint family, not in
Rather
a
than-
nuclear.
yes.
So be specific.
Yes sir.
You are from Raigada.
Yes sir.
What is the major source of income in the economic source of or aspect of Raigada?
Sir, Raigada is a tribal dominated area. The major income is agriculture sector.
What is the agriculture?
Agriculture, rice is our main one. Then after sir, cotton is highly cultivated in area. Rather than the others are three major hubs like Vedanta groups of industry, then Ulkola Aluminium, then JK Paper Limited also contributing to
Which of
the.
them is the oldest there of this Vedanta and JK? Who is the oldest establishment there?
Sir, I think JK Paper Limited is.
JK Paper is long back there.
Yes sir.
Now you have taken, I said, did you do your career stage of physical science,
Yes sir.
chemistry then?
Physical science, it include three sir: physics, chemistry,
Oh, that is physics, chemistry. And
mathematics.
is that a degree post graduation?
Yes sir.
That degree, physical science.
No sir, that Bachelor of Education in Physical Science, post graduation in Chemistry sir.
Acha, you did your B.Ed.
Yes sir.
B.Ed from, so you could have, if you had B.Ed, why did you go for B.Ed?
2018 to 2020.
Did you want to become a teacher?
Yes sir.
Have you been taught anywhere after passing?
Yes sir.
B.Ed?
After passing our post graduation, I am assistant professor in nearby college.
Acha. You are still working there?
No sir, no. I leave it and started preparation series.
Now, say, government of India has come out with the new education policy. Have you heard of it?
Yes sir.
What are the two basic problems that have been focused on the initial chapters of the education policy in the primary education? Basic two problems, which are in fact very baffling problems for us. and they have already planned how to, lot of activities that are undertaken now. What are the two basic problems which have been magnified in that, highlighted there?
Sir, rather than the educational issue, the physical extracurricular activity is focused in the primary school to improve the physical ground.
Because you have done B.Ed and because you have you really gone through this nutrition policy? ଦେଖିଛ କି?
ହଁ
ଦେଖିନ?
ସାର୍ ଦେଖିଛି ସାର୍
ଦେଖିଛ?
ଦେଖିଛି ବେସିକ୍ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଦେଖିଛି
ଦୁଇଟା ତ କହିଲ ମୁଁ ଦୁଇଟା ଏଇ ଟର୍ମ ଦେଖିଛ କି?
ସାର୍
Literacy, numeracy ଦେଖିଛ?
ନାଇଁ
What?
ସାର୍ ଦେଖିନି ପଲିସି ସାର୍ ନ୍ୟୁ ପଲିସି 5+3+3 ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ
Structural change ହେଇଛି.
structural change
But the two the problem of functional literacy and numeracy are not found in the children even after class 7. They are reading, writing, which are called the 3 Rs. 3 Rs, what are the 3 Rs? Reading, writing and arithmetic. Bit of. And that reading, writing goes to literacy, or this goes to the numeracy part. And these two areas, basic thing that we require in life, are not at all developed in the students because what is the problem in the students? What is the promotion policy? Was there examination?
Yes sir, there is
Examination, or is there promotion from class 1 to 2, 3, 4?
Sir, up to 8 they are promoted. After that one,
So nothing, there is no exam. So nobody, neither the student can't. What is the in education policy? They have proposed a change in evaluation. What is the significant change? Evaluation policy in the school base, especially up to class 12. 1 to 12, there is a change in the evaluation policy. कौन चेंज आनी चाहिए न्यूट्रिशन पॉलिसी देखिछ कि देखिन
ना देखिन सर बेसिक जिंस देखिछ सर
एटा बेसिक जिंस से अछि जे
डिटेल
क्लास
देखिन सर मो
9 10 11 12 रे परीक्षा हबो
बैंक रहइबो
ताको सेमेस्टर परीक्षा हबो एंड दे विल अपियरिंग फर्स्ट पब्लिक एग्जामिनेशन इन क्लास 12 तापर किछ परीक्षा हबोनी
सर
देखि दो
डिटेल क्लियर कर सर
शेयर माने तुम करेक्ट टानी जो एक्चुअली आके दुटा प्रॉब्लम फोकस कराइछि जो चेंज कराइछि के नुआ बॉडी बनाइछि बिकॉज़ यू हैव डन बीएड
सर
करजिनो पचारली
Are you appearing from Odisha Education Service?
No sir, I passed out from 2020 only, so they
अरे OPSC जो करे
नहीं,
लेक्चरशिप ପାଇଁ
OS they
OES
sir
कॉलेज करे पब्लिक सर्विस हमर हायर एजुकेशन में ओएस करे ओएस एजुकेशन सर्विस
they sir
गुडा पोस्ट बाहरी जेबे देई न बोदे
ना देखिन सर
यूनिवर्सिटी में बाहरी जी
सर सेटा
University तो
नेट
बता ना OPSC
सेटा असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर
एज प्रोफेसर एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर
सर नेट एग्जाम क्लियर मागु सर मो
नेट करिना
नेट
के OPSC नेट मागुची OPSC परीक्षा
नेट
देते
मागु
नेट क्लियर अछि
एग्जाम होनी सर सेटा सिलेक्शन बेसिक ऑन दी आपण 10 प्लस 2 पीजी रे केते मार्क रखुछंदी ता विषय रे भीतर इंटरव्यू
मेयर करे यू हैव नॉट क्वालिफाइड नेट
ना सर
सो यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल
ना सर फॉर एसएसबी एग्जाम आई एलिजिबल फॉर सर्टेन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर एलिजिबल
तम किंतु लैंग्वेज किछ भूल रहउची
Sir.
व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश ओडी लैंग्वेज
तापर एमिति काई क्वेश्चन दे आपण पूरा डरी मरी की कंटीन्यूअसली एमिति काई क्वेश्चन दे
गोटे
comfortable.
चेंज बस जेमती बसिया କଥା बस ठीक है बसिया ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦିଷ୍ଟ ଭଙ୍ଗିରେ ବସିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟଲି
टिके एमिति बसंती आउची कि नहीं टिके स्ट्रेट बसंतु हला
ओके सर
कंफर्टेबल बसंतु
ठीक अछि
एमिति काई एमिति पूरा रहउचंदी
हातटा एठी रखिया ପାଇଁ को
जे तमरो इज इट योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट
ना सर थर्ड अटेम्प्ट
मन थर्ड अटेम्प्ट माने भाईको भाईबा देइछो
नहीं भाईबा फर्स्ट टाइम
फर्स्ट दबो
यस सर
तमरो केमति लागुची कोन असुविधा अछि तमरो लागुची ना ठीक देइछो केमति तो केमति लागुची
कंफर्टेबल थर्ड अटेम्प्ट टाइम
तमे किंतु टिके ए कर बहुत बेसी कहउछो
सर
माने जो प्रश्न पचरा होची
हां
मोर आंसर इज बिकमिंग टू लेंथी एथरे टिके ब्रीफ स्टाइली और कॉन्सेप्चुअली भी टिके उत्तरटा फैक्चुअली टिके स्ट्रांग हो दरकार एते लंबे सी समय कहले ता भीतर गुडा गुडा प्रश्न से बाहर कर देबे
सर
लैंग्वेज तो भूल होची टिके केयरफुल हो
ठीक अछि
एथरे
नमस्कार
नमस्कार